Buy Sam a drink and get his dog one too. This is the battle of the undefeateds, the Dillsburg Purple Tornadoes versus WRLU, which is Windsor Redline Girls U11 Soccer. Let's get right into it. Let's go. All right, less than 3 minutes into the game, Redline goes up 1-0. Are the Purple Tornadoes out of it? Let's see, but let's go ahead and roll the film here and show Redline's goal. Go. All right, somewhere around the 7-minute mark, Hannah White gets a goal. Ties it now 1-1. Oh, what a game. This is a close one.
Take the shot. Oh, that's a goal. Yeah. There we go.
All right, 19-minute mark. Check this one out. Our goalie, the 5th grader, jumps up and is able to tip the ball, basically cover the entire height of the goal. Just what an amazing block here. Go ahead, roll film, go.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game.
That's our goalie. That's our goalie.
All right, just before the first half ends, Dillsburg goes up 2-1. This is Zaya. Oh, nice shot, Zaya. Unfortunately, I missed the camera angle, but at least we caught the moment. But awesome goal by Zaya. This put a lot of stress off of us heading into the halftime. But go ahead, roll the film. Go.
Get to it. Go, Zaya. Take the shot. Shoot.
To win it life, I never miss that fact. Taking big swings, she on me the back. Go out and ain't got time to kill, I got time to.
All right, 5 minutes into the second half, Kenzie puts us up 3-1. We're loving it now. Go ahead, roll the film.
So I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?
There you go. Tom, good job. Good job.
How's it supposed to feel?
Catch you, Mackenzie. Go checking it. Yeah, Kenzie. Woo.
All right, I'm gonna go back-to-back plays on this one. We have a shot on goal by Hannah McQuillan, just barely misses it. And then just a couple seconds later after that one, Kenzie puts us up 4-1. And ladies and gentlemen, Elvis has just left the building. Go ahead, roll the film, go.
They wanna see my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't playing no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, no, I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these shit I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said.
Panic. There you go, Kenzie. That's a goal. Yeah!
All right, Redline did put the pressure on us near the end of the second half. I'm going to go ahead and roll 3 clips in a row. There's several more on that, more than just 3, but we'll go ahead and roll 3 films here of Redline with some great scoring opportunities. Go ahead, go.
Get up, keep going, get up! There you go, come on, it's not over yet! Nice job, Lena. There you go.
Get to it, Haley, get to it!
All right, there you have it. What a game. The Purple Tornadoes stay undefeated. 2 games left up on the season. Definitely have the advantage, but got to keep on winning out. So if you got this far, please hit the like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time. Have a good one.